Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll install the AUXITO LED turn signal on our Toyota RAV4. Come on, let's check the factory bulbs first. Okay, so let's see how the factory bulbs look like. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the factory. Technically, they are going to be DRLs. And then when you want them to be turn signal, that's how they look like. So let's just do a hazard here. So they are still bright. They're nice, but we're gonna switch them to LEDs. So come on, let's install this AUXITO LED. Okay, so we're gonna grab the one on the driver's side. So to access this is we're gonna grab it from here. It's very easy. Here you go. Already like holding it in here. If you can see my finger, it's over here. And then we're just gonna twist this counterclockwise. And we have access to the factory bulb. Okay, so next we're just gonna unplug it. So we're just gonna simply remove it like that. Just pull it out. Okay, so just to compare, this is the factory, this is the AUXITO. So it has like 24 LEDs on the side plus 2 on the front. So let's see. Let's install this one. It's very easy swapping. So again, easy swap. We're gonna plug this one. We're gonna test it first. Okay, so we're gonna check the function right now. So if it doesn't light up, we just need to switch this around to get the correct polarity. So let's switch it. Those are bright. So now let's put it on the headlight housing to get the full benefit of it. Okay, so next we're just gonna put it back on there and basically just reverse the process. Do the same thing on the other end and just turn it clockwise and you will hear the click. Then let's check the results. Okay, so using this LED removes the capability of the DRL on the LED. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna lose the DRL using the amber color. But again, there's a switchback version of this and we're gonna make another video on that. But for now, let's test the AUXITO LED amber turn signal. And as you can see, no hyper flash, even just on the amber. Again, if you don't like the switchback, you're gonna lose that DRL function, but you're gonna have a bright turn signal on the front. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to make some AUXITO purchases, follow my link down below and you can still use my discount code FGSAVE12. Again, thank you for watching.